In grade 11 trigonometry, there are two trig identities that we normally use. The first one is tan of theta is equals to sine theta divided by cos theta, and the second one is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And in this video, I'll show you where these identities come from. So first up, we have tan theta is equals to sine theta over cos theta. And I'll prove this identity by using a diagram. So here we have a diagram, which is a right-angled triangle. The horizontal length is represented by x, and the vertical length represented by y, and the hypotenuse represented by r. And we know from the diagram that sine theta is equals to the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, so that's y over r, and that cos theta is equal to the adjacent, which is x, divided by the hypotenuse, which is r. So if I write down the fraction of sine theta over cos theta, it's the same as saying sine theta divided by cos theta. But we know that sine theta is y over r divided by cos theta, which is x over r. Now if I tip and times, I have y over r multiplied by r over x. So the r's would cancel out, so I have y over x. Now if I look at the diagram, here's theta, y is the opposite side over x, which is the adjacent side. And that is the ratio for tan. Therefore, sine theta over cos theta is equals to tan theta. And our second identity is that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And let me show you where that comes from. So as explained before, sine theta is equals to y over r, and cos theta is equals to x over r. Therefore, if I say sine square theta plus cos square theta, it will be the same as saying y over r squared plus x over r squared. And if I simplify this, I have y squared over r squared plus x squared over r squared. And I can add these two together. So I have y squared over x squared is equal to r squared. Because the denominators are the same, therefore we can add the numerators together. But if you look at the diagram and we have x squared plus y squared, we can see that that is equal to r squared. Because that's the application of Pythagoras in a right-angled triangle. Therefore, in our proof, we can exchange y squared plus x squared with r squared. And that is equal to r squared over r squared, which is equal to 1. And so we have proved that sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1.